the Directorate of Health Services is concerned, we have so many primary health centers, district hospitals, sub-district hospitals, CHCs, and all our staff, right from the class 4 staff, MTS staff, right up to the director level, all of us are working day and night. So I really appreciate, and everybody used to think like how this is going to be possible, but I should say that all the staff members have really cooperated, and they are working day in and day out. No night, no day. Nobody is grumbling that I will not be coming or you will not be coming. Everybody is doing a great job, and what is needed is a little appreciation from someone or the other way, maybe from the higher staff or even. So this gesture which they have done today, maybe really I have felt it very. Means it's really hard. Means what they have done to for us and for the staff. I really appreciate their gesture, what they have done, and with this, I think they've given us a boost. So we will be working all the way more, all of my staff on behalf of Directorate of Health Services and Government of Goa. I am assuring that we will be still working much more hard and much more day and night so that we are able to keep this as a green zone. Only thing we need a lot of cooperation from the general public and the community, which I think should come with all the efforts and hard work of.
On behalf of our team, our DHS team and the medical team, I'm extremely happy to have this appreciation and हेजे तेणी पळय आमकां एक दाखयलें ग्रेटिट्यूड दाखयली. वी आर सो happy about it. As a team from DHS, Directorate of Health Services, guided by our director Dr. Zeus Disa, then our all deputy directors, one of them Dr. Dumi has already come here to be with us. या सगळ्यांच्या under their guidance we are heading forward. आमचो epidemiologist Dr. Utkarsh, they all have guided us, and I feel we should be all happy as Goans because we have been put into green zone. आता as on date आमच्याकडे एकूय active case ना. The credit goes as much to the public also because they have also cooperated, also to the press media because they have given very good coverage to everything that we have done. And from our side we have to say that we will do our best to contain this COVID-19 disease, and I feel we will be emerging successful. So thank you so very much.
Goa Naval Area, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all the doctors, nurses, support staff, the paramedics, and of course the sanitation workers. I think you guys are doing a wonderful job over here, putting yourself at such a great risk, and so that we all can be safe. When the country is in lockdown and all the doctors and the entire support staff is coming here, I think it makes a great personal sacrifice to be here.
Our doctors, nurses and health workers have rendered selfless service in controlling the spread of coronavirus. As a mark of respect, the Naval and Coast Guard helicopters showered petals, and the naval staff distributed sweets at Goa Medical College, ESI Hospital and Cottage Hospital at Chekalam. Sweets were also distributed to the staff at Vasco Police Station. In addition, 1,500 naval men and women got together in a formation at INS Hansa to display a message thanking the Corona warriors. On behalf of the Flag Officer commanding Goa Naval Area, Rear Admiral Painumuttal, Chief Philippos, and the entire naval community, I would like to convey our sincere gratitude. We pledge to continue working in support.